Morning children. Now I am going to take science for you. So this is revision. Already I sent the classwork. I think you have written in the classwork. So those who are not written, you can see this one and write in your classwork. Okay children. So this is revision. Lesson number 2. The lesson name is green gold. Okay children. In the last class I done lesson number 1 for you. No children. So this is lesson number 2 revision. First main hard words. First one living, living, living. Second one organisms, organs, organisms. Third one creepers, creepers, creepers. Fourth one flowers, flowers, flowers. Fifth one underground, underground, underground. Sixth one preparing, preparing, preparing. Seventh one factory, factory, factory. Eighth one mature, mature, mature. Ninth one nutrition, nutrition, nutrition. Tenth one germination, germination, germination. 11th one minerals, minerals, minerals. 12th one survival, survival, survival. 13th one dispersed, dispersed. 14th one produce, produce. 15th one branching, branching, branching. So these are odd words. Next main fill in the blanks. The dash is a storehouse of food for the plant. So in the dash leaf, leaf, leaf. Second one dash or the part of the plant that is responsible for making the food. So in the dash you must write flowers, flowers, flowers. Third one, the epidermis also secretes a waxy substance called the dash cuticle, cuticle, cuticle. Fourth one, stems holds the plant dash. So in the dash you must write upwards, upwards, upwards. Fifth one, watermelon, cucumber and pumpkin are called dash creepers, creepers, creepers. Sixth one, lotus and water lily are called water plants. So water, water. So these are all fill in the blanks. Now next main, third main, write yes or no. First one, the scientific study of plants is known as botany. So in the bracket you must write yes. Second one, tap roots spread in the soil, each tip covered with root hairs. So in the bracket you write no. Third one, gases enter and exit the leaf through the stomata. So in the bracket you write yes. Fourth one, the process of a baby plant beginning to grow is called germination. So in the bracket you write yes. Fifth one, beans, money plants, grapevine, pea plants are called thorny plants. So in the bracket you write no. Okay children. So these are yes or no. Now next main, fourth main, give 2 examples that vegetables come from. So first one, so first is roots. So from roots which vegetable we will get. So first one is carrot, RROT, carrot. Second one is turnip, TURNIP, turnip. So these two vegetables we will get from the roots. Second one, stems. So from stems, which vegetable we will get? So we will get onion, ONION, onion. Second one, ginger, GINGER, ginger. Next, so third one, shrubs. So from shrubs, which vegetable we will get? So we will get cauliflower, CAULIFLOWER, cauliflower. Next is herbs. So from herbs, which vegetables we will get? So we will get tulsi and spinach, TULSI, tulsi, SPINACH, spinach. So next one is answer the following. First one, what are the two main parts of a plant? Roots and stems are the two main parts of a plant. ROOTS, roots, AND and STEMS, stems, ARER, TWO2, main, PARTS, parts, PLANT, plant. Roots and stem are two main parts of a plant. Second one, how does root help a plant? Answer, the roots of a plant grow in the ground and are responsible for providing both water and minerals to the plant. They expand in the ground to increase the surface area for water absorption. The ROOTS, roots, OF of A, PLANT, plant, GROW, grow, IN, TH, the GROUND, ground, AND ARER, RESPONSIBLE, responsible, FR for PROVIDING, providing, BOTH, both, WTER, water, and MINERALS, minerals, to the TO2, TH, the PLANT, plant. THEY, they, EXPAND, expand, INN, TH, the GROUND, ground, TO2, INCREASE, increase, TH, the SURFACE, surface, AREA, area, FR for WATER, water, ABSORPTION, absorption. THEY, they, ALSO, also, ANCHOR, anchor, TH, the PLANT, plant, INTO, into, TH, the GROUND, ground, FR for STABILITY, stability. Next question. Name the part of the plant which prepares food. TH, the LEAF, leaf, ISES, RESPONSIBLE, responsible, FR for PREPARING, preparing, FOOD, food. The leaf is responsible for preparing food. Fourth one, name two types of fruits. Answer, there are two main types of fruits. They are fibrous root and tap root. THER, there, ARER, TWO2, main, TYPS, types, OF of ROOTS, roots, THEY they, ARE or FIBROUS fibrous, ROOT root, and TAP tap, ROOT root. There are two main types of roots. They are fibrous root and tap root. Next one, write three functions of stems. Answer. First function, stem holds the plant upright. Second function, stem bears leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Third function, stem carries water and mineral salts from the roots to all parts of the plant. Stem carries food prepared by the leaves to different parts. STEM stem, HOLDS holds, TH the, PLANT plant, UP up, RIGST right, STEM stem, BEARS bears, LEAVES leaves, BUDS buds, FLOWERS flowers, and FRUITS fruits. STEM stem, CARRIES carries, WAT or water, and MINERAL mineral, SALT salts, FROM from, TH derm, ROOTS roots, TO2, ALL all, PARTS parts, OF of, TH the, PLANT plant. STEM stem, CARRIES carries, FOOD food, PREPARED prepared, BY by, TH the, LEAVES leaves, TO2, DIFFERENT different, PARTS parts, OF of, TH the, PLANT plant. Sixth one, what are the types of plants? Answer. Different types of plants are shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers, thorny plants, water plants. DIFFERENT different, TYPES types, OF of, PLANTS plants, ARER, SHRUBS shrubs, HERBS herbs, CLIMBERS climbers, CREEPERS creepers, THORNY thorny, PLANTS plants, WATER water, PLANTS plants. Next, seventh one, define shrubs. Shrubs are small bushes and they have hard and the stems. They have many branches and they live for many years, and these grow close to the ground and are also known as bushes. For example, bougainvillea, rose, cotton, jasmine, hibiscus, banana, etc. SHRUBS shrubs, ARER, SMALL small, BUSHES bushes, and THEY they, HAV have, HARD hard, and TH the, STEM stems, THEY they, HAV have, MANY many, BRANCHES branches, and THEY they, LIVE leave, FOR for, MANY many, YEARS ears, and THESE these, GROW grow, CLOSE close, TO2 TH the, GROUND ground, and ARER ALSO also, KNOW known, ASS BUSHES bushes. FR for example, BOUGAINVILLEA bougainvillea, ROSE rose, COTTON cotton, JASMINE jasmine, HIBICUS hibiscus, BANANA, banana, etc., etc. Okay, children. So these are the revisions for you from second lesson. I think you could have understood this revision. So if you have not written in the classwork, please write this one in the classwork. If you have written, please practice in the rough note. Okay, children. Thank you.